Hey everyone, my name's Maz and I'm the creator of the Fitness Freedom Flow. Today's YouTube vlog is just about what I've been up to in the last couple of weeks since getting back from Cambodia. I live in Brisbane, Australia, and gotta say, Brizzy is a pretty dope city. There's so much to do and we're so close to the beaches and whatnot, so don't get jealous, but I hope you enjoy the video. So getting my skin folds done and my measurements taken. Let's see how much body fat I've got going on now. Oh my god, I can't wait to post the results. I'm so excited and it's just made my whole day. Time to go to Kristen's birthday. Slightly feeling better, but not having a big one because I'm still kind of recovering. Not too many drinks. If I end up having a couple, we'll see. But exciting because I haven't seen the girls since I've been back, so we'll be good. I have been kind of hiding out, but tonight should be fun. Ready for Kristen's birthday. What do you think? So we're making a gift card for Kristen's birthday, and what are we getting her? Her Byron Bay accommodation, and look at Reg's writing. Oh my god.
Damn girl.
She's so such a good writer. Look how hot these girls look. Just saying. Wasn't quite the quiet night I thought. It's 2:22 a.m. but everyone else is still out and I still left earlier, but not as early as I thought. Oops. So here at Little Greek in West End, one of my favourite restaurants, we're going to have a Greek feast. Here with my bestie Sam. Hi! You should see what we've ordered. And more food.
It smells so amazing.
Can't wait for you to try. This is mouth orgasmic. Oh, more food? Awesome. Safe to say, we have demolished this. Oh my god, look at the empty plates. It was so good. This is a long time fun.
Yo, what's going on? So, what's all this YouTube stuff about, Maz? What's the goal with it? Talk to me.
Jump on my website, www.thefitnessfreedomflow.com.
Well, I wouldn't say anything about my long-term friend here. It's been great bumping into you, but everything that Maz has always done, he's always done well-moraled, well-cultured, and at the end of the day, whatever she says, believe it, because it's real.
That's pretty good coming from someone I've known for like...
Definitely agree.
This is really cool coming from people I've known for years. My heart is breaking.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom. bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here.
Another winter day in Australia. Yeah, we're pretty lucky. One of my favorite restaurants in Burleigh here. Check out what I have got for myself, not even sharing. I'm not a pig, but I'm waiting for the girls to get their food. So we're at Gardner Falls in the sunny coast with my two babes, Reg and Sam. It's really, really pretty here. We're actually staying at Sam's uncle's place, and her uncle and auntie are like hippies, so it's like super cool. We're just gonna have a chill girls weekend, have campfire, take in some nature. Of course there's alcohol involved, but this is me we're talking about, what do you expect, and these two. Standard. Yes, standard. Hashtag, that's a hashtag. A nice little campfire.
Yeah, it was like
Look at that.
18-year-olds. They were swimming in
Huh?
the filming off the swing. There wasn't many people there though. It was about maybe 15. Yeah. Hey.
Cannot complain. Aussie low carb beer, pure blind everyone, for those not from Australia. This is the life.
You taking photos of your drink?
So Reggie and I are not piggies. But we're having just sticky date and ice cream.
Hang on. I'm on video.
Hi guys, so don't forget to check out the website www.thefitnessfreedomflow.com to read any of my blogs. Also follow the Facebook page just so you can keep updated. And if you do like this video, don't forget to smash that like button just so I know that you like what I'm putting out there. And subscribe down below.